Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Let me show you what I got up to. Roll it back, man. When the water is so blue. Started one in menu and shit like that. Let's see how my eyes are.
What's one in
Let's go and take pictures, guys. Guys, we're taking pictures now. So sun kissed this in Jayana. Jay, oh.
sitting on my prawns, guys. Gang, it's a twin.
Sex Biggie's dragging man. Ngiyapila. Sosenze lokudla sidle. Fan bag. La? La.
Yeah.
Oh, Mesut.
Guys.
All thanks to my Mkini. Susi yapisa udla ice-cream. Oh, azolukujaje. Hey, khalisa nganyabani. Mlume boy.
Ngekaphinda isasi. Ngekaphinda
Lapho sobathi thina igebengu siyakhuluma ngathi ubugebengu ngempela. Thank you, Mata.
You're welcome, bro.
Ngeke nje azatshentshwa umuntu lo. Nangeshiwe loziyo. Wena. Hi guys, how's your day, my babe? Out of 10.
I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
And sengiyazi abo 15 out of 10 masola siyakhona. Guys, we're going to get ice cream. Ngena kanjani? We could always go. Ngena wapi? Sapi. Hi. This is where we at. Excuse me, baba behlinele. Siyahleka noma sebayeke. Baba ke kodwa lapho ke kwenake. Hi lovelies. Ukubeza bese befuna sibavotele. Ngiyadla.
Binhle ngikusekela manje.
Into kusekela nawe. Oza shuthe zonke lesane. Ngani wazi? Don't forget to press the subscribe button. Leave a comment. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi sizoba 15 over 10 usuku lakhe after la.
Just tell my girls, motherfuckers, but it's okay. Siyabuya siyenza kakhulu. We're coming back better, motherfuckers.
Lapha ayashayina ke la.
Hello me. Bangiqeda isosi kodwa manje isosi ayipheli. I-natural poison.
Okay guys, bukani la ngishula amaqwela nge-freestyle. Ngizolandela yena bese kulandela
Ladies first, obviously.
cela i-beats. I-beats ayisadlali inkinga. Angangenzeli. Yo. Okay. Lana sambana makola musu kungithela hayibo yabanda wena musu ngifela makambathe nami uyangifela musu kungithela musu Nengazi ngama-hits ke. La kwenziwa khona ama-hits nje ngikhona.
Phakathi.
Kwenzeki nje ngikazi khona la ke lothile.
Nengazi ngama-hits.
Ntwana uthathe ubuthedi ngalesikhathi ntwana. If he wanted to, he would. Iphethe yakhe kanti futhi. Oh. Oh, if he wanted to, you would.
Happy birthday, baby.
And lapho cabangani guys ukuthi uba isikhathi. Ayibo, cabangani guys, cabangani. Ngiyawatshengisa ukuthi sekulate.
Baby.
Thanks very much. Oh my God.
This teddy bear is for you to remember me. Whenever I'm not around, you just hug the bear and think of me, baby. I appreciate you for all the hard times. Khona bro, izinto zazingiphelela khona ukhona wena ngigula. Awufunde iParis. Angifa. Akethi umuntu.
Ungishintile. Oh, sorry. Went too far, sorry.
Ngiyangitha ngibona.
Thank you very much, guys.
Happy birthday.
Oh, it never.
Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. Thank you so much.
Not nice.
Yeah. Lapho mayudla nyipho. Ya, ukwenzelani mata? Magic. Okay,
Yeah.
Dana.
You ready? We are one more night. Feel bad, bro.
This is supposed to be magic.
Yeah.
Oh, Dana. Guys, we are forced.
Yo, let me vlog you.
Thank you.
Hey, yo, guys, I'm gonna put myself on. I'm the one who was vlogging here, KKP. Yeah. There's 10 of us. Ngeke ubone amabhungu awu-10. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Ngeke ubone amabhungu awu-10 umtshela ukuthi akho ngisho ibhungu elilodwa nje one-crush kulona. Ayekho nje one-crush kuye. Kule mabhungu awu-10 wonke. Khuluma iqiniso my sister, sibhekile sonke la.
Awungeke wena. Nifana nobhuti kimi nina.
Soba uthena asifuna cabanga. Yahlaza njalo.
Nangu umuntu ohlazayo la.
Cha.
Ngiyasho ukuthi nifana nobhuti kimi nje.
You just been booted.
What up? Yeah, listen, I'm out here from JSB. On my dead cousin. I'm telling you, no cap, nothing. Boy, I swear up. I'm soon. Trust me.
You need to leave.
If you've been to Durban, if you've never been there, I don't know which Durban you went to. I don't know which Durban you went
Sinabakhona la ekhaya sesikhona.
Oh, mna angakayitholi. I'm just vlogging my day.
No, I'm just saying what's happening now.
We're just chilling. We're about to leave. Yeah, the KK Penny. You know what to KK Penny.
Papa Penny. KK Penny.
KK Penny. Go fellow. KK Penny. You know KK Penny.
KKP.
Oh, KKP. My bad.
Baba ko sa ISP. Kaya madam, no.
umkhulu wami kahle kahle umuntu wavusi IFP. No.
Inspiration.
Everything P. Hey. Ngiyacela mfethu. Uthi usasi hey. Uthi usasi hey. Ngiyacela mfethu. Hey man. IFP. KK pushing P. IFP. KK pushing P.